This is boy number 1.
Let's see his other sides. Good boy. Okay, where's number 2?
Boy number 2. This is boy number 2. He's a really handsome little guy.
Good job. Boy number 3.
Here's boy number 3 with a really cute face.
Boop, boop, boop.
He's
Hey,
really
baby.
cute. This little one is playing.
Okay, girl 1. Here's girl 1.
So cute. Here is girl number 1. She's a little cutie.
Okay, bring it down a little bit. There we go.
There she is.
Okay.
Girl number 2. She's very sweet. And where's girl number 3?
3's right behind you.
And girl number 3. There she is.
Okay, good job. Hey guys. Everyone is just super sweet and playful. Hi babies. Hi. Boop, 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 boos. Hey. Hi babykins. There we go. There we go. They're all just waking up from a nap, so they're all waking up right now. Come on.
Aw, look at you. You're so cute. You're so cute.
Who's this little fella you're playing with? Oh, boy 3. Fix his little ear. Hey, baby. They're just starting to really wander around and explore the house. See what's going on. Hey, boop, 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 boop.
Aw, look
What
at
are you doing?
you.
Hi.
She's
Hi.
fat like a seal.
Hello. Hello. Come here. Come here. There we go. There we go. What are you doing? What are you doing? Now they're just really getting up on their feet and moving around and starting to show their personalities. So over the next week or two, they'll really start coming out and seeing what everyone's little individual personality is like.
Don't.
So this is when it's real fun to see how they're all developing and growing and see what each one's like. Oh, babies. But they are just very curious about exploring everything, seeing everything around the house, learning the different textures of the hardwood and blankets and all the different kinds of tile and just learning everything. So they are doing great. Hi, babies. Boop, 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 boops. Boop, boop, boops. Look at that little sweet boy. Hey, baby. Hi.
Yes. Good girl. Good calm.